Like the video and subscribe right now to be protected from the coronavirus. Teacher, everyone let's finger paint. Everyone, cheers. Kid named Paint, shows horrified person. Hashtag Dankify memes your funny comment to be featured next. See you tomorrow. Father sells ultra rare Yu-Gi-Oh collection worth $20,000 for daughter's education. A new lethal virus starts spreading. Africa no. What? Sorry, force of habit. China no. Cops, now that we've invented fingerprint identification tech we can identify anyone. Criminal, wears gloves. Cops. USA. China. Australia. When the weird looking apes that you have been trying to hunt down for weeks start throwing you pieces of rotten meat and bones. Me and the boys, excited to play a new online game on day 1. Game. 30 GB update. Me and the boys. When you walk into lecture and someone is sitting in your unassigned seat. The nervous people. The Chinese virus will probably die very soon because it's made in China. Pet owner, it's okay, he's friendly, he won't hurt you. Their pet. Ukrainian airplane crashes in Iran killing 176. Yahoo. Very poor choice of words. Being fat in the workplace is hard. Standing up for yourself is harder. The editor who let this headline slip through. I too am extraordinarily retarded. The guy who wrote it. Our goal is to completely kill the planet and 99% of bacteria on it for the lowest price. A car powered on free-range chickens and designed by a team of hand-picked potatoes experienced driving on mushroom and coke. This is getting out of hand now, there are 2 of them. Woman falls on snow pile from 9th floor in Russia, gets up and walks away. Russia 100. I freaking hate my school, they are making us do a TikTok as a required grade. Someone +4's me and you know, call the ambulance. Me also having a +4, but not for me. I'm still faster than her replies. No, he's got a point. Girls when they accidentally touch each other's arms. OMG, your skin is so soft, I love it. Boys, panics and gay. Listens to music. Hey, that's from TikTok. Americans waiting for the boomers to die so they can have the metric system. When you kill a spider and your sister rewards you with $1 for killing it. Witcher. What are the Mario Brothers' views on spreading the coronavirus? Mario says, if you have the coronavirus please, do stay away from friends, family and the public as spreading the disease could cause mass death to your loved ones. Luigi says, sharing is caring. Me, I can't do it, I'm too shy, you ask her. Friend, no way man, you do it. Me, giggles, give me your money, this is a robbery. They had us in the first half, not gonna lie. Me, listening to song. Little sister, oh this is a TikTok song, they stole it from Tik. Subtitles, scary music. Deaf people. Future archaeologists when they are learning about our civilization and they keep getting rickrolled. My mother threatening to turn off the Wi-Fi if I don't go off. Me playing an offline game. Teacher, we have a new student, he's from China. Girls, OMG, I hope he's cute. Boys. Russian man with knife in back walks out of hospital for cigarette. Australia confirms first 4 cases of coronavirus. Google whenever I sign in on a new device. Who are you and who are you working for? Change the coronavirus name to the Kung Flu. 1125 have signed, let's get to 1500. You son of a b, I'm in. So I order this face mask, to protect against the coronavirus. Hold up, it says something here. Made in China. This is why I hate video games, it appeals to the male fantasy. I've paid off all of my loan. I'm completely debt free. A girl who genuinely likes me. Me not getting the hint. Me wants to go to a Chinese restaurant. My friend, wear something nice. Me. My whole life has been a lie. This cat has a better beard than most men. Smashing people and roids then giving them my phones. Break people's legs then giving them wheelchairs. The entire population of China is now playing Plague Incorporated. My sleep paralysis demon seeing me sleep without crying first time in months. Proudness. Me, thanks God I survived the surgery. The doctor, nurse and anesthesiologist. People who say bruh, people who say oof. Contributing nothing to a conversation. When the year of the rat starts with a plague. Ironic. When you are a European, and Trump is being put in a peach and Australia is burning and there is a huge plague in China and World War III is happening. Dafrick they doin over there. When you get into a fight with the wheelchair kid and he stands up. When you're getting jumped by a bunch of Chinese nibbers and one of them says someone cough on him. So exactly what did this roadrunner do to you? I don't want to talk about it, Brad. Gigantic bison flings 9-year-old girl in the air after annoying tourists won't leave it alone. Laughter, you dumb bee. Me, a nation coughs in a public space. White people trying not to look racist, everyone else. Australia catches on fire. Also Australia floods, coronavirus confirmed in Australia. Australia, bro, I'm straight up not having a good time. Game developers, we have over 80 hours of gameplay. Speedrunners. There's 3 actually. A Florida man accidentally locked his 1-year-old daughter in his car, and 5 prisoners out on work detail used a coat hanger to break her out. The mother who took a video of it said, "Them prisoners bust that shit right open. So thank God for the criminals in the world. You are bad guy, but this does not mean you are bad guy." China's president giving speech at WHO, coughs, all the people present there. How I think I look when talking to girls. How I really look. Having fingers that look like D's. Grew. Aha, I've got it. Me sneaking around at night, my entire body. People without depression. People with depression. People who pretend to have depression for their own personal gain. Gross, you watch anime? Yes I do, hentai too. World War III doesn't start. Nature. Fine, I'll do it myself. Clothing style in 2019. Clothing style in 2020. Me and my 5 brain cells preparing to say here when the teacher calls attendance. The Chinese coronavirus. Kung flu. When the Chinese exchange student starts coughing. Me, don't look now but the guy behind you is my friend. When the loading screen is black and you see your reflection. 2020, World War III. Coronavirus. When you realize AIDS comes from apes, coronavirus from snakes, H1N1 from pigs, plague from rats, Ebola from apes and public lice from gorillas. Can you guys stop touching animals for 5 minutes? When you finish listening to your 4-hour study playlist and realize you forgot to actually study.